Hi folks, how are you doing? Hope everybody is fine. Listen, if you're in rural Jamaica, you see this? This could be you. All of these packages we ship from overseas for you, and then if you're in rural Jamaica, we send them down through our exclusive partnership with Knoxford Express. So all you guys in the country area, please know that you have a shipping company and we send your items down with Knoxford Express. Real simple process. After you make your payment for your items online, you just walk inside the Knoxford Express with your photo ID and collect your packages. Alright? You don't have to worry about anything at all. We have you covered in KC comfort. Alright guys, so we're heading down now. We're gonna send these off and you guys can go ahead in the closest Knoxford location and pick up your packages. Because that's what we do. And guys, listen, we still have that special going on where every customer, once you are a new customer, you get to ship your first package completely risk-free. Yep, you heard that right. I am going to allow you to ship your items from overseas. First one under £5, you're paying no shipping charges, alright? So go ahead, there's a link somewhere here, click on the link, join us today. And guess what? I'm going to throw in another bonus for you. I'm going to allow you to ship 4 times per year for free with us. How that will work? We're going to allow you to join us as a platinum member. And as a platinum member, you get to ship 4 times per year, no shipping charges for an item under £5. So I want you to go ahead and click the link. I don't want you to be afraid enough. A platinum member, you will never ever have to pay for it, and it is free right now. So go ahead, join our platinum membership so that we can get you some free shipping. Alright? Catch you later guys. We're going inside to send down your packages. So catch you guys later. Bye bye.